Because it's got pumpkin in it and not so much flour, or is that all butter?
I mean, the vegetable, you're concentrating the minerals, the vitamins, so it is going to be better for you. But that caramel, just Philip, look at that, and that will keep for about 10 days. Excuse me, because it's so moist. Sorry, just burp. Doesn't love it. Excuse me. That's too many sausages, mate. That's what that is. We're repeating on you. Anyway, should we just start like that, Holly?
I can't.
Oh, dear. See, you wouldn't have noticed that when I said anything. It's just the fact that you went, oh, sorry. Oh, dear. Oh, my God.
Right, stop. But Vickery's recipe is on our website. itv.com/Smalley. If you subscribe, you press your red button.
Feel better now? Yes. Better out than in? Still to come, thank God he's not won a Bean Award. We've got a small down goes Keith Chegwin, spot of ice skating, an ice crash and 3 broken ribs later. Keith Chegwin's dreams of winning this year's Dancing on Ice are over. He joins us a bit later.
And all your beauty problems are solved after the break when we open up our very own This Morning Beauty Bible. We'll be back after the break. Don't eat any more. I've had enough.